Alrighty, today we are going to talk in my porno voice. I'm currently sick and I just wanted to edit this video and get it over with, but I'm gonna have to talk in a really deep voice because if I talk normal, my voice cracks up a bunch. Um, so go ahead and lay your bumper down on a something, blanket, grass, whatever you have the means of doing. So I went ahead and placed a 2x4 under the front bumper here to get it to help the splitter stay on while I was messing around with it. Cause it kept trying to slide So I only scribed the two outer holes first. Um, I did the the furthest ones on the out, and then I went ahead and fitted the splitter on using those two screws because it doesn't require any spacers or anything. So I went ahead and placed the bumper on and seated the last two screws, or sorry, the two outer screws first, just to get it aligned up while I drilled the last holes. Um, for the rest of the holes, drill them. Yeah, whatever. Um, just make sure it's sitting flat back there, so that way when you drill the holes, it drills them straight on. Because the splitter will fall forward and then you'll get bad holes. um, yeah, so go ahead and just drill out the rest of your holes. Here's how you fasten all your pieces. So you take a screw first and then your spacer, and after that gets through, you take your washer. This one was way too big. I purchased other ones that were fit better. But yeah, so it's just, you know, nut or washer, then nut, and that's pretty much it for that. It's pretty basic. So after I drilled all the holes, I just went ahead and stuck the screws through a little bit, lined up the spacers, and stuck the screws through. It's pretty basic, pretty easy. Um, yeah. So yeah, there's really not much to talk about here. It's pretty straightforward. Just yeah, go ahead and I think I forgot to drill one of these holes, which I did. Um, yeah, it probably takes about, well, I already had the bumper off, so it'll probably take about an hour and a half to do or so. I don't see any reason why you couldn't do it on the car, but I don't know. Yeah, you could definitely do it on the car if pull your belly pan and stuff. So, alrighty then. I guess that's pretty much all I need to say. It's pretty straightforward from here.
And then go ahead and install the shorter ones. So there's the 1-inch spacers that go here, and the 3/4-inch ones that go through 3/4-inch spacers that go on the outside of the lower part. So you'll have flat, 3/4, and then 1-inch, and then 3/4 spacer, and then that. And just go ahead and throw your nut on the backside in the washer. Yeah, then just go ahead and that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and throw the bumper back on. Well, here's a shot of the spoiler, or the lip. You can't even tell those little spacers are there, those little things. But overall, looks pretty good. Sticks out just enough. Just enough to catch your shins here when you're working on it. All that fun stuff. Tow truck's on its way to pick this thing up. Take it back to its rightful owner. Alright, well, hope that what? Helped you? I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Drunk? Not really. Yeah, I hope that helped out. Yeah, alright. Update. This thing. Primered. Next, it's getting painted. Just got a paint gun. And yeah, paint gun, and there's my paint right here. Do the job right, Eastwood says. It's a 2.8 3-to-1 makes sprayable gallon. Makes 1 sprayable gallon. Yes. All right, yeah. So anyways, I didn't make any sense. I'll talk to you guys later.